Okay, so there is that girl you like, right? And you would like to talk to her, but you feel anxious about that. You overthink a lot and you're afraid of embarrassing yourself in front of her. That's understandable. But what if I told you that you can have a specific mindset in your head that will help you approach her much easier? Let's look at it this way. If that girl likes you, she almost doesn't care what you will tell her. And of course, don't expect her to like you if you lash out at her and told her disgusting stuff. Okay, don't go that extreme. But you know what I mean. Normal conversations. And the fact that you talked to her is much more important to her than the fact what you two talked. And if that girl doesn't like you, then again, it doesn't matter what you will tell her. Maybe you suit her as a friend or something, but if she doesn't find you suitable for her boyfriend, in practice, it's very difficult to change her mind. And what if there is a possibility that she likes you after some time? Again, nothing. Be who you are. Act normal. And again, it all comes back to the previous 2 points. If she likes you the way you are, after some time, don't fear her because it means what you say doesn't matter that much again. She doesn't care. If she doesn't like you the way you are, you two are incompatible and then you shouldn't care. And again, it doesn't matter what you say, you're not interesting to her and you should move forward. So, if it doesn't matter, then why you fear?